Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we are going to head inside Lowe's and we're going to check out their tool cabinet and toolbox selection. And you can see it's a cloudy day, so I figured this was a good day to head inside the store and see what they have to offer. Okay, so on our way to the toolbox and tool cabinet selection, I walked right by their tool selection here, and it just makes you think, throughout the course of life, all the different tools that you end up buying, and you do need a good place to be able to store them and keep them organized. So I'm excited to see what type of toolbox and tool cabinet solutions they have. So let's head on down that way and see what they have to offer. Okay, so here's a brief overview of everything that they have in their toolbox and tool cabinet selection, and we'll just go through these one by one and see what they have to offer. Okay, so let's start with the tool chest area, and this is the first one here. This is a Craftsman, and it's two pieces. There's a top and a bottom, and this looks like a nice setup. It's all on your specific needs and what you want and how much you want to spend. Here's some up-close information on this one here. And then we'll move on to the next one. This is another Craftsman, also a two-piece. There's a top and a bottom. And this one does have more space than the last one that we looked at. And I like this one too. This is I've always been a fan of Craftsman. And here's the up-close information on this one here. And if we take a look at the next one here, this one is another Craftsman, and this one is even larger than the last one we looked at. So all just, depending on your particular needs. But this is also a two-piece. There's a top and a bottom. And yeah, this is a nice tool cabinet too. And here's all the specific information on this one here. Looks like a nice setup. Yeah, I like that one. And then this one here, this one is the same as the first one we looked at, I think. This one's just in black instead of red, so it looks like on this one you can decide if you want red or black. This is a nice one here. Also two-piece, just like the first one we looked at. I'm pretty sure this is the same one. There might be some minor differences, I don't know, but it looks the same to me. And then here is the information on this one here. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So I think this is just like the top to the first one that we looked at is what I believe this is. Here's the up-close information on this one. And then this one here for $999, this is awesome. This is like my dream workbench. Tons of storage, Craftsman, which is my favorite brand. And then this awesome wood workbench top. I mean, this is so cool. This is definitely my dream workbench. It's just more money than I can afford right now, but it's definitely on my wish list. What a cool workbench. And then here's like a portable, a portable container to be able to take your tools around in. And here's the information on this one here. This is cool, for like on the go and to take to job sites. And then here we're moving on to more of those portable, toolboxes that you can take with you. They have a variety of different things here. And then this is important here, getting a toolbox liner. If you do decide to get a toolbox or a tool cabinet, making sure to line the drawers so they don't get all beat up. And just some more different portable, tool containers to be able to take stuff with you, to job sites, or if you're working on a project, these come in handy. Here's all the different stuff that they have. A lot to choose from, so just depending on your specific needs, but they got plenty of options here. So, okay, so let's take a look up here. And this one here on the top left there, that's like this, what I consider like the standard toolbox, and has 3 different drawers there. We have some different style toolboxes here to choose from. They got a variety of different things just depending on your needs. Some more of like the portable style toolboxes that you can, take with you. And it's kind of showing you there on the picture what you can do with these. But, just lots of variety depending on what you're after. And here's that toolbox again here that we were looking at up above, the 3-drawer. I think that's just in the wrong spot. I don't think that price was correct for that one. Here's a different style toolbox here. I always like the metal ones myself over plastic. But plastic is probably more durable, like it won't get beat up as much, it won't get scratched. But like I said, I've always liked the metal. And that open box there on the bottom, I think that's that 3-drawer toolbox that we were looking at. I think somebody just said it there. Okay, so now let's move on to the toolboxes that you would put in the back of a truck. Okay, I'll just go through these truck toolboxes one by one, and they have a variety to choose from. It's all just depending on, what will fit in your truck and your specific needs. And then you can decide, if this is something that you wanted to put in your truck or not. But they do have a good variety to choose from, and, prices do vary accordingly depending on, which size of these toolboxes that you do go with. And I used to have one of these I had a Ford F-150, and I had a locking toolbox in the back of it. And I always liked it because I could keep, a bunch of different things back there that I might need while I'm out and about. So, okay, we're just moving along. And these are all Craftsman ones so far. And yeah, they got a variety of all sorts of different ones here to choose from. And then down here, whatever goes here, they are currently out of. And then right here, they have this Kobalt. This is a job site storage box. Okay, so here are some more truck toolboxes to choose from. They just have a pretty good selection of these to, choose from. So, okay, let's take a look. This one here, whatever went here, they are missing. Okay, and here's the next one here. And they just really do have a pretty good selection of these here. And here's another one here. And I think everything we've looked at is Craftsman. So, it seems like at this store, for the truck toolboxes, they're just carrying the Craftsman brand. And then here is the last truck toolbox at this store. Okay, and then let's take a look down here. They have some different accessories and some of the liner for the toolboxes. That's definitely important to have just to make sure your toolbox doesn't get all scratched up. And then they have this truck toolbox tray and then a Craftsman chest. They have a pretty good variety of toolboxes here. And then walking around the store, I found toolboxes in different areas like this one here. So you might need to look around a little bit. They could have stuff in different areas. And this is a 2-piece tool set. It has a top and a bottom. And then here's the information on this one here. And here's another one that I found out and about in the store that they didn't have in the regular, tool chest and tool cabinet and toolbox area. So, I don't know if these are discontinued models or what they are, but here is the information on this one here. All right, guys, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and, they do have a really good selection of tool cabinets and toolboxes to choose from, and so, just depending on your specific needs, they do have a good variety here of different things to choose from. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.